In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload video on Webflow 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a video to your Webflow page and tailor it so it looks great and performs well. First, head into your Webflow project and open the page where you want the video to appear. Make sure you're in the designer, not just the preview, so you can add and edit elements. It helps to click into the specific section, container, or column where you'd like the video to live so Webflow knows where to place it. Next, open the Add panel by clicking the plus icon. You'll usually find it in the left toolbar. This panel is your library of elements. If you don't see it, toggle it open and give the canvas a moment to load. Keeping your layout structure in mind here is important, as it ensures the video drops into the right part of your design. In the Add panel's search bar, type the word video. This quickly filters the list so you don't have to scroll. You'll notice there's a standard video element, and in many projects, a background video option. For this workflow, we're using the regular video element because it supports platforms like YouTube and Vimeo and lets you present playback controls to your visitors. Click the video element to add it to your page. If you had a specific container selected, it will appear there. Otherwise, it may land near the top of the layout and you can reposition it later. You'll see a placeholder until you provide the source. Open the element settings and paste your YouTube or Vimeo link. The moment you add a valid URL, Webflow will render the embedded player. If your video host supports options like start time or hiding controls, you can usually manage that through the settings or by adjusting parameters from the host platform. Now it's time to customize. In the Style panel, set the width to 100% and define a sensible max width so the video stays responsive across screens. Center it by applying auto margins if needed, and adjust spacing so it sits comfortably with surrounding content. Use your project's grid or flex settings to align it with text or images. Consider adding a short caption or descriptive text nearby for accessibility and context. If you want a more polished look, you can round the corners, add a subtle shadow, or tweak the background color around the video. Before you publish, preview the page to confirm the video plays smoothly, scales correctly on mobile, and doesn't crowd other elements. Congratulations, your video is now embedded and customized in Webflow. Save your changes, publish when you're ready, and enjoy a clean, responsive video experience on your site.